Hello everyone. So, haven't made any videos in a while, but I have been puttering here in the shop, so thought I'd put a little quick something together just to show you guys what I've been up to. Okay, you guys know I pulled out the interior of my SVO, so I got the deadening in, I got the carpet back in. Still unsure exactly of how I'm gonna put deadening inside the quarters here, like in between. My hands can't really get in there to put that deadening stuff in there correctly, so I gotta figure something out anyways. So I spruced up the panels a bit and painted them. There's some scratch marks here. There. I sanded them down before I painted them. There's a crack on this one that I'm attempting to fix. So, see how that turns out when that's fixed. And here's all the other stuff that I've already done. I cleaned it up with degreaser, got all the grease off it, and used the compressor with the little air gun to blow them dry, and then about 4 coats of paint. Okay, so I got most of the stuff back in, the panels back in, the stereo. I decided to put the 6x9s in the boxes, not in the actual quarter panel, because I feel like you get better sound out of it from that. It's a better sealed option. Put the seats back in, got the door skins back on. Now, mind you guys, I haven't done a full cleaning of the vehicle yet, so, you know, half of the stuff's been cleaned. Like, I gotta vacuum it again now when I put the carpet back in. You know, the seats haven't been cleaned yet, so I got some half clean, newly spray painted interior and other stuff I gotta clean off, but that's where I'm at right now. Oh yeah, and the roof, unfortunately I'm still trying to hunt down a liner for this thing here. I had one I was going to trade, but unfortunately it was from a newer Foxbody, and the center hole here did not line up, so I'm SOL. I gotta recover that one. All right, everyone be well. What's going on, boys? What are you guys doing? Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here, silly. Come here, Pooh Bear. What are you doing, Cooper? Hey, buddy. He's my big guy. Whoa, easy there, big guy. Be good, boys. Manny, be nice guy. Be nice, Manny. Manny's a pest. He's always pestering his brother, Cooper.